Chapter 11 Web Services. The Internet is a global resource important to all the people in the world. Its growth and impact are largely due to its incorporation of number of deeply powerful features and services that continue to accelerate its success. The types of web services available on Internet are diverse. You can chat with your friends, write your blog, do video conferencing, etc. Social networking service. Social networking service is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relations with other people who share similar personal or career interests, activities, backgrounds, or real-life connections. When it comes to online social networking, websites are commonly used. These websites are known as social networking sites. These websites function like an online community of Internet users. Every user has to create his or her identity profile. It allows users to share ideas, digital photos and videos, posts, and to inform others about online or real-world activities and events with people in their network. Some popular social networking sites are Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Newsgroups. A newsgroup is an internet-based discussion about a particular topic. These topics can range from sports, cars, investing, and many other things. The groups can be either moderated, where a person or group decides which postings will become part of the discussion, or unmoderated, where everything posted is included in the discussion. To participate in a newsgroup, you must subscribe to it. It can be said that newsgroup is like a community bulletin board. You can post a message, reply to a message, or just read messages. Users post messages to a news server, which then sends them to a bunch of other participating servers. Then other users can access the news group and read the postings. Groups of related messages are known as threads. One can subscribe to various news groups. Examples of some news groups are alt.tennis, alt.astrology, etc. Factbit. News groups are also called clubs or bulletin boards at times. Blog. A blog is a frequently updated online personal journal or diary. It is a place to express yourself to the world. A blog is a place to share your thoughts and your passions. Blog is a short form for the word weblog, and the two words are used interchangeably. In simple terms, it is a piece of software which allows you to write an online diary on a website. Your last entry, called a post, is displayed on the front page of the site. Some of the popular blogging sites are www.blogger.com, www.wordpress.com, www.blogs.com, www.blog.twitter.com. Generally, blogs contain textual information, but you can also post and share photographs, videos, etc. with other users. Some common types of blogs are personal blog. This type of blog refers to a blog developed by a user for his or her personal use. This is the broadest category and includes blogs about personal topics like politics, music, family, travel, health, etc. Business and professional blog. This type of blog refers to a blog developed to generate business. The business blog is one of the fastest growing segments in the blog sphere. Their goal is to produce high-quality content which your customers appreciate. Genre blog. This type of blog refers to a blog that contains information, articles, and discussions related to a particular subject. Examples of genre blogs are music blog, fashion blog, political blog, etc. Factbit. A blogger is a person who creates a blog. Features of a blog. A blog contains a couple of features that help to make it interesting and useful to a blogger. The following is a description of these features. Archives. The front page of a blog lists a few of the most recent entries. However, there is a link to get to previous entries or post. Clicking this link will take you to all older posts which are stored in archive. Comments. Comments feature is used to post the feedback on a blog. All the blogs do not use this feature, but most do. When a reader clicks at Comments link, a little form opens. The reader can leave his or her name, email, and a link to his or her own blog. The information you provide in the feedback form allows other users to read and respond to your comment. FactBit. Archive is a folder that stores all the previous posts or entries. Online chatting. The term online chatting refers to communication over the internet by sending and receiving real-time text messages. If you want to chat online, you need to log on to a server that provides chat facility. There are many sites that provide chat facility. One can chat through an instant messenger, a chat room, a chat website, etc. Chat rooms are places usually dedicated to a particular topic or shared interest, where you can communicate and share information with your colleagues online and in real time. Some of the popular instant messengers used are Gtalk, Skype, etc. Apart from text chat, one can also interact with others through voice chat. There are two basic modes of chatting. Text-based chat. This type of chatting enables communication between the users by sending and receiving text messages. Video or audio chat. In this type of chat, two or more users can chat through audio and video transmission over the internet. Video conferencing. Video conferencing allows communication between two or more people at two or more geographically distant places via audio and video transmission. A video conference uses a computer, camera, microphone, webcam, and an internet connection. It uses audio and video telecommunication to bring people at different sites together for a meeting. Besides the audio and visual transmission of meeting activities, video conferencing can be used in sharing documents, computer-displayed information, and an education sector. Advantages of video conferencing. Effective communication. Video conferencing is an extremely useful method of communication. No time constraint. It can be conducted at any time of the day. Cost saving. It is a more economical communication method because there is virtually no cost for people to be involved in a virtual meeting. You can easily bring them together. It saves on travel cost. Increased productivity. By eliminating time and strict barriers, meetings can be held anytime, anywhere, with anyone. In this way, meetings are shorter and more effective. E-learning. E-learning is the use of technology to enable people to learn anytime and anywhere. E-learning can include training, the delivery of just-in-time information, and guidance from experts. Quite simply, e-learning is electronic learning, and typically this means using a computer to deliver part or all of a course, part of mandatory business training, or a full-distance learning course. Some of the popular e-learning sites are Khan Academy, Coursera, etc. Advantages of e-learning. It provides the flexibility to the learner to learn anytime, anywhere. It fosters self-paced learning. It reduces travel time and also travel costs. It accommodates different learning styles. Disadvantages of e-learning. Instructor may not be available online as per learner's convenience. Learners may be uncomfortable with the electronic medium. Students with visual and physical impairments may find it difficult to gain knowledge through e-learning. Developing a really effective e-learning course takes time, money, and a great amount of expertise. E-reservation. E-reservation, which simply means electronic reservation, has become more popular in recent days. Electronic reservation is an internet technology that allows customers to book railway, airline tickets, and rooms in hotel online. E-reservation is also called online booking or e-booking. It allows to check the availability of seats in train, bus, or airline and can also help to reserve the rooms, halls, or tables in restaurants. Nowadays, internet is being used to book movie tickets also. For example, www.irctc.co.in is the official website for the Indian Railways. You can log in to check and book the railway tickets. Some sites like www.yatra.com, www.makemytrip.com allow you to book railway or flight tickets as well as hotel rooms. FactBit. An e-ticket, electronic ticket, is a paperless electronic document used for ticketing passengers. E-shopping. E-shopping is an internet service where people buy goods and services. It helps you buy products without having to go to shopping malls or shops. Globally, an increasing number of people are buying over the internet because it is more convenient. One can purchase almost anything online, starting with groceries and greeting cards to cell phones and ringtones for the cell phones. Everything can be purchased online. Online shopping became popular during the internet boom in 1999 to 2000. Some common sites for e-shopping are Flipkart.com, Amazon, Myntra.com. FactBit. Amazon.com, the online bookstore founded by Jeff Bezos, created history by becoming the first bookstore with a presence only on the internet. Advantages of e-shopping. It is convenient, faster, and sometimes also cheaper. Online store describes products for sale with text, photos, specifications, safety procedures, and multimedia files guiding the customer about the product. It also provides reviews on the product. The price and quality comparison of the products and services is possible. It is accessible round the clock. The product is delivered at your doorstep. You can easily pay through credit or debit card while shopping online. Disadvantages of e-shopping. User may not trust the site being a known faceless seller. Such mistrust mistakes it difficult to make users switch from physical stores to online or virtual stores. Difficult to ensure security or privacy on online transactions. Lack of touch or feel of products during online shopping. Online stores often fail to offer warranties and guarantees. E-banking. Electronic banking is simply the use of electronic means to transfer funds or money directly from one account to another, rather than by check or cash. Through online banking, a bank provides its customers with different services such as opening accounts, transferring funds, and electronic bill payment. One can withdraw money from an ATM machine using personal identification number (PIN) at one's own convenience, day or night. E-banking is also called as virtual banking or online banking. Let's sum up. Social networking service is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relations with other people. A news group is an internet-based discussion about a particular topic. Blog is a piece of software which allows you to write an online diary on a website. Video conferencing allows communication between two or more people at two or more geographical distant places via audio and video transmission. E-learning is the use of technology to enable people to learn anytime and anywhere. Electronic reservation is an internet technology that allows customers to book railway, airline, rooms in hotel online. An e-ticket, electronic ticket, is a paperless electronic document used for ticketing passengers. E-shopping is an internet service where people buy goods and services. Through online banking, a bank allows its customers to conduct banking transaction online.